Good morning, students. So, we are back again. I hope you all are fit and fine and taking care of yourself at your homes, and also you are studying properly. I am Khushbu and I welcome you back on this virtual platform. So, what we were doing? Yes, chapter number 5, A Broken Promise. So, I expect you have done thorough reading of the chapter as we have done earlier in the chapter. So, open your books now. So, today we will start with the explanation of the chapter. But before starting the explanation of a chapter, open your books. Page number 32. See page number 32. This page you have to open. Look at these two pictures carefully. Which one of them is a tortoise and which one is a turtle? See? Yes, this is a tortoise and this one is a turtle. So, do you know the difference between a turtle and a tortoise? They are similar, but there is a difference between the two. So, tortoises have more rounded domed shell, whereas turtles have thinner, more water dynamic shell. One more major difference is tortoises are land animals, whereas turtles are water animal, or we can say aquatic animals. Okay. See, it is asked here which one of them is a turtle and which a tortoise. So this is a tortoise, right here tortoise, and this one is a turtle, right here turtle. Okay. See, we are having one small exercise related to this. Write turtle or tortoise against each statement. So let's do it together. Take out your pencils and then we will do it together. Okay? They live in water. Which animal live in water? Turtles. Right here turtles. They are land animals. Which one is a land animal? Tortoises. So, see here we are not having that much space. We will write here. Tortoises. They are found both in the sea and in rivers. So again, which one is a water animal? Turtle. So write here turtles. They eat plants. Which animal eat plants? Tortoises. They eat both plants and meat. So which animal eat both plants and meat? Turtles eat both plants and meat. Write it. Now you might be thinking how they eat plants and meat in water. So my dear students, they eat water plants and also the meat of water bodies they get in water only. Okay? They live much longer. So who live much longer? Which animal? Tortoises. Yes, tortoises live for more than 100 years. As you might have heard this also. Done with writing? Now let us read a story about a young man and a turtle. This story is of young man and turtle. Long, long ago, some children were playing at a seaside and they found a turtle. Long, long ago means so many years earlier. So some children were playing there at the seaside. Like you have seen at seaside there is so much of sand. So these children might be playing with the sand or doing some sand activities or any water activities or anything they might be doing there. So they found a turtle. They began to trouble the turtle. Now take out your pencil and underline begin like I am doing and write on it start. As begin means to start something. Okay. Now see trouble. Trouble means here tease. It is already given here in your book. So no need to write it. You can simply learn it from here only. Okay. After a while, a young man came up and shouted, "Stop it!" The children went away and left the turtle alone. Now see, as soon as the children started to trouble or tease the turtle, the young man came and shouted on them. So by seeing the young man, children immediately ran away and they left the turtle alone. Okay. Now you might be thinking that how turtle is an aquatic animal, so how turtle is outside the water and how they are teasing the turtle. So my dear students, let me clear your this doubt. Though we know that turtle is an aquatic animal and it is found in water only, but they are not like fish. Like fish, if we take out the fish, it immediately dies. Okay, so no, these are not like fish. They can survive without water for few hours, like for 10 to 12 hours. So doubts clear? Let's continue. Thank you for saving me from those children. I would like to invite you to a wonderful palace now. Please climb on my back, the turtle said. Oh, this is a very different animal. As generally we have seen so many animals and those animals don't speak. But this turtle is speaking. And it is thanking young man for saving his life. So, now what he is doing? He is inviting me to a wonderful palace. Right? So now, let's see the meaning of invite. As it is already given in the book, it's here. Ask somebody formally to go somewhere or do something. Okay? You can learn it from here only. Now see wonderful. Wonderful means it is already given here. Very good. Okay. Now underline palace and write here castle. Now underline climb and write here move up, as it wanted man to move up on its back. Done with writing? Now whether that man will agree to go with the turtle deep inside the sea or it will refuse, because it's not safe now. But for that you have to wait till tomorrow. So till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to mention your name, class and section in comment box, as attendance is also necessary. Have a nice day.